Hani Absheng Dumelang Igama Ubongiwa Kamtambo Intombi Emnyama. Thank you so much for tuning into another amazing episode of Halagasha. Namhlanje ke babukeli siniphathele ezimnandi zishubisa umgatsha ngiyakutshela lalela. Orlando Mokoena goes back home. Indodana Yolahleko have finally decided to go back to Mamelodi Sundowns from Chippa United, of course. Tina ke sithi sikufisela kuhle kodwa Mr. Mokoena.
All important players and strikers, and they all know how important they are to the team. And Justin Shonga did extremely well for Zambia against Benin. Took the 2 goals very, very well. It's not like there were penalties or set plays, but
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uNathi Mthethwa gave a green light for football to finally take place after so many speculations. Furthermore, South African Football Association confirmed that all remaining matches will be played in Gauteng, KwaNdonga Ziyaduma, further revealing they have marked stadiums and hotels which will provide shelter for players and host games. Ingabe iyo zalankomunyi.
When we submitted our applications to government, it was a Board of Governors resolution. Was that, we're going to play all the games in Gauteng province and Northwest province. But we did receive a very good pitch from KwaZulu-Natal, which was considered by the task team. But unfortunately, because of the application that was submitted, the venues was to be the Gauteng or Northwest province. As we speak now, the PSL has resorted, to stick to Gauteng only because of the advantage that it gives. Now, insofar as the Great Africa, the Board of Governors resolution was that all the 2 clubs must go to the bubble. There's a meeting of the Board of Governors taking place tomorrow, and that's what we submitted as part of the application to the minister. With their changes, that's another story. But for now, as things stand, all 32 clubs must go to the bubble.
We also got an opportunity to speak to Mr. Dubazana, the founder of Ihalagasha. His name is Lungelo Mncedisi Dubazana. He is amazing, he is talented, he is many things. Ilokho sikubizwa ngokuthi VIP, very important guest yana ethu like haya kwa Halagasha. We have the founder of Halagasha. His name is Ulungelo Dubazana. He is very amazing, bafethu talented. I mean, he is doing wonders. How are you, Mr. Dubazane? Ngiyaphila nami. It is a great honor to have you namhlanje.
It's an honor to be part of the show.
Yes.
I would like to greet all the viewers worldwide in Africa.
Okay.
In the name of Ipod.
Halagasha.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mnumzane Dubazane. Lungelo Mncedisi ubani?
Ulungelo Mncedisi Dubazane was born and bred in a small town of Ladysmith, and then ngazalelwa elokishini ababiza ukuthi kusezakheni. And then at a tender young age of 7, if I remember very well, it was in 1996. That's when I realized ukuthi uMncedisi Dubazane is more passionate about football. So I started playing soccer at that young age, and then up until I graduated to lower primary, and then after lower primary, okay, bengakazi kahle ukuthi ngifunani empilweni, and then ngaze ngaya high school in 2004. So that's when I realized now ukuthi okay, mase ngidlala labantu abathe uqina ngokwethambo, yabona ukuthi uMncedisi uyalithanda ibhola.
Okay, so now what is the difference between this magazine, Halagasha.co.za, from the other magazines that we know already? Okay,
Sisi. Halagasha we specialize on creating content in a narrative way, which is story telling, whereby we go to interview and also investigate what makes up a global player. For example, angithi uyamazi kumdlalo webhola lo abathu Kamapiliati sengisebenzisa yena nje example before he becomes a complete player there are elements that we need to look at behind the scenes that happen in his life. So we'll uncover and unearth those elements ezenzakalayo behind the scenes, so that uzosithola istory sokuthi how did he become, or how does he become a complete match day player.
So to umfana omncane osafufuza bandla nje naye ufuna ukuba part of this soccer, and naye ufuna ukuba i-soccer star one day, imaphi amagama ongamtshela wona ukuthi amgqugquzele naye akhule aze abe yi-soccer star?
To a young player osibukele njengamanje, the only advice I can give him is he should be presenting himself as a brand. If you're a brand, you protect your image. How do you protect your image? You stay away from negative things such as the substance abuse, which is more prominent in South African footballers. So also you should do the extraordinary things that other players don't do in South Africa, you know. Waking up early around 4 a.m, should be hitting the gym or jogging up instead of watching Popeye, Dragon Balls. If you should be watching more soccer. You should be going to YouTube with how to finish a goal, understand?
So how do you plan to contribute to South African development?
Okay, as halakasha.co.za, we plan to be the bridge that is going to connect a grassroots player and a development player and then a professional coach. So we plan to bring these three structures into one vehicle that is going to be moving forward and making up a global player. How so? We wish to expose upcoming players. Also, we need to unearth those upcoming coaches, because we feel that these grassroots coaches, they have good stories to tell about these well-known players, and then they played also a part in making up these players. So I feel like their stories, they need to be heard by the world on how did they manage, or how do they manage to start a structure without, you know, proper infrastructure. But at the same time, I'm aiming to bring educational purposes in them, and knowing that how to start a professional structure and run a team as a business. Because at the end of the day, when you're a development coach, you need to get what you call the incentives when a player is signed by a big team, so that you know and you feel proud that I did contribute in making up Mr. Tubazane as a professional player. So I'm hoping I'm going to bring those relevant and information free of charge.
So to a grassroots coach, how can they benefit from ihalakasha.co.za?
As a grassroots coach, you should be working hard and trying to make sure that the team is well marketable, and also it's a product that people are attracted to investing in. So yeah, also you should educate yourself as a coach, because you know, when you learn these football theories, you should try and implement them, because football, we take it as a school as well, where players they should learn about the curriculum of playing football.
So Mr. Tubazane utholakala kuphi enkundleni zokuxhumana? Facebook, WhatsApp number if you have, sikuthola phi?
Wena ke ntombi yomzulu ke shukela etiyeni, yabona, abakwazi bakubiza kanjalo. It's simple, just go to our website, www.halakasha.co.za. Uqeda ungene ku Twitter uthi halakasha.co.za, uzoyitholela lapho ulwazi olunjulu. Bese ungena ke on Instagram, it's halakasha.co.za. We do upload videos, we do have live streams, and then sibuyele ke la iyaqala khona ke wena kwele ngabade, yabona, ku Facebook. You can get us at halakasha.co.za. We're going to be posting about all these nitty-gritties that makes up a football player into becoming a global player. Because when you become a global player, our national team improves in terms of rankings. So we aim to contribute as well in making our national team a far better team and being amongst the best in Africa. So we as Halakasha, we're all about global and continental news that are free and exclusive, coming to you live on our digital platforms. Ngizibongeleke wena sisi wami.
Uzwileke nawe mbukeli phuthuma uyothenga idatha because hey ziyabuya la ekhaya kuhalakasha. Sike sathi kuphuma ke saya emgwaqeni to hear other people's opinions about who's going to take the league. Since siyazi ke sonke ukuthi we are going back to the game. We are with Untibalenge Molefe, Miss Shawela. Let's find out.
Today is indeed a beautiful day. I hope everyone is happy and ready for your Miss Childers 2017. Untibalenge Molefe. Today is Silai Pretty Glen, and I'm very excited to hear how the residents from this community feel about the PSL coming back on our TV screens. Azweni bathini. Sawona bhuti njani?
Ngiyaphila sisi wami njani wena?
Ngiyaphila. Bengicela utshela ababukeli ukuthi wena ubani and uphuma kuphi.
Yeah, babukeli mina ngusanelekwa. Okay, ngiphumezola maka sengihlala la ePort Glen 11 yabo. Yeah.
All right, siyabonga.
Sure.
Mawubhekile iyiphi iclub ezowina iPSL this season?
Obviously into le yakumelanga uzungubuze nokubuza. Amakhosi amahle mfethu Kaizer Chiefs bafethu nani niyazi amakhosi amahle enza izinto.
Khosi one way.
Dala amakhosi amahle enza izinto. Makhosi bafethu one way.
All right, siyabonga futhi kwesikhathi sakho.
Bonga mina sisi wami.
Sawona bhuti njani?
Ngiyaphila wena?
Ngiyaphila. Cela wazisa ababukele emakhaya ukuthi ubani ngigama nesibongo.
Oyigama ukamahelo wakwaNgcobo.
Mawubhekile iyiphi iclub ezowina i-league this season?
Akumelanga sicabange nokuyicabanga i-Chiefs obviously.
One way.
One way.
Siyabonga
That's
futhi.
inside.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila wena kunjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila bengicela wazisa ababukele emakhaya ukuthi ubani ngigama nesibongo.
Igama lami usihle akakhuphisi sibongo ngisebenza khona ngapha Afro Trades Nation ezabantu ama-trades.
Okay, siyabonga bhuti. Who do you think will be nominated as the best player of the season?
Best player of the season imele iye kuLuvuyo Memela. Ngiyangithola. Luvuyo Memela shuthi manje yabona lapha ku-Pirates contribution yakhe throughout the whole season hayi ibe yaba effective kakhulu ngiyangithola. Shuthi manje like nane before azobanjwa injury ngiyangithola. Udlalile kakhulu acontribute ngama key passes lapha yabola no Pirates. Maribe yathabuya manje ku-injury hayi. Angiyatshela umpeke uLuvuyo Memela masiphethe nale combination yakhe noThembi Nkosi Lodge lapha phambili ku7.
Sawona bhuti njani?
Ngiyaphila unjani sister?
Ngiyaphila bengicela wazisa ababukele emakhaya ukuthi ubani wena ngegama nesibongo.
Mina nguThemba Sibongo wakazwane feeling tholakala la ePort Glen.
Okay, mawubhekile iyiphi iclub ezowina i-league this season?
Iclub ezowina i-league this season I think Sundowns.
Sundowns.
Yeah.
Why Sundowns?
Sundowns obvious mfethu liphethe i-strike ezigrand da yabo so obvious nala season besibheke yona up until ama-COVID so obvious kumele iqhubeke la igcine khona.
Alright, nizwile kabuyelo iyo Sandawana.
Obvious.
Sawona sisi njani?
Yebo ngiyaphila wena njani?
Ngiyaphila sisi. Bengicela wazisa ababukeli ukuthi wena ubani nakhona uphuma kuphi.
Okay, igama lami uPhilisiwe wakamtambo. Ngiphuma eProtea Glen Extension 11. Yeah.
Okay, sijabulele ukukwazi Phili. Mawubhekile ihalakasha isho ukuthini?
Well, I don't know the definition of ihalakasha, but I can explain it name.
Okay.
Okay, ihalakasha is when two teams are playing soccer name, and then the other team scores, and then people go like halakasha. Yeah, that's
Halakasha nizweleke.
We have come to the end of our session, Mbukeli. Thank you so much for tuning in into this amazing episode. And please do check out our website at halakasha.co.za. Also check out all our social media platforms at Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It is halakasha.co.za. Igama lami Mbongi wakamtambo intombi emnyama.